Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fund your Binance wallet on the Binance app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button right here. Now simply select it. After selecting it, here you can find the Binance wallet. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Then scroll down until you find the option of add funds. Simply tap on it then. After tapping on it, you can receive from the tokens from Binance Exchange, or you can simply receive from the tokens via address. Now tap onto one. After that, you can simply tap onto the QR code of one of the wallets just like this. And then you can simply scan the QR code and fund your Binance wallet. And that's it. This is how you can fund your Binance wallet on the Binance app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.